According to the roadmap, the unity government is expected to conduct general elections at the end of 2024. With the 16 months remaining to the day of elections, SPLM leaders in Warab State have started earlier preparations, including provision of mobility, printing machine for membership identity cards, and office documents to ease the work of the party. In order to facilitate the work of the party and its programs, Governor Engineer Maniam Bol Malek, who is also the chairperson of the SPLM in Warab State, donated to each party one pick-up Land Cruiser, 6 motorbikes to the counties, 1 camera, printing machine, sound system, and office documents such as membership handbook, manifesto, and SPLM constitution. Maniam Bol, who joined the liberation struggle during his child age, says the SPLM has a clear vision and mission to transform South Sudan.
Make sure that the security of the state is a state, or relatively state. That is the right, whether you are a member of the SPLM or a member of any other party. I think the SPLM government, or the SPLM-led government, plus other partners, with this agreement or with this peace, managed to bring security or insecurity of whatever state to zero. The federal rules are ongoing. They are not going to be smooth like other roads of the world, but they are possible. They are being maintained and they are possible.
This event was organized by the SPLM Secretariat to give back an appreciation to their chairperson Maniam Bol and launch the handing over of these assets to the various offices in the state and counties.
We have shown you the way we are going to follow. Very soon we are going outside. We are going to counties, Priams, and Pumas if possible, if the roads are accessible. When we did this, we did it through Renaissance mission, SPLM Renaissance mission. Last 2 years ago, or last 1 year ago, in year 2022, in May, we made it here. We made it was not a simple thing. We reactivate all the structures of the SPLM from Buma up to the national level.
Every time we converge in the SPLM, we just give negative reports, no positive report. Today, we are reporting an achievement. Thank you, Comrade Chairman. In the counties, there is positive aspect of recognition of SPLM by populace of all 6 counties, evidence and demonstrated by the mass turnout for registration in the state, in the county, and Payams and the Boomers. People have registered. We have no objection. Everywhere our members, the Buma, the Payam, goes for registration. They come always and say, I need another checkbooks, I need another ledger book.
On behalf of you, let me tell you, our members, comrades in the SPLM Music family, that it is important to have an identity that will show you this is the modern world where people talk with evidence. There is no time for assumption this time. You will not claim to be born in the SPLM, but you will be asked to present the material evidence, and that is the ID card. So all of you, the youth of Warab State, are asked to come forward, register, and obtain the SPLM membership ID.
Senior SPLM cadre Joseph Loalachil urged the SPLM leadership in the state to cooperate in promoting peace and unity among party members. The event also coincided with the swearing-in ceremony of the mayor of Kwajuk municipality as the chairperson of the SPLM of East Municipal Council. Daniel Marengwek, SSBC News, Kwajuk, Warab State.